What's up, guys? So working on the baby today, the Is300. It's a 2002 model, and I know a lot of you guys have this problem because I've seen it on pretty much every single review or forum out there, which is changing your stock stereo to the aftermarket stereo. So the biggest problem is the plug, the wiring kit, the wiring harness kit. So it's not the one that comes out here. You need to bypass the amp. But what people's not really showing out there, what I couldn't find a video of, is where the amp is located. Not only where the amp is located, but how to reach the amp, or do you need to bring out the amp? So been fighting with this thing now. You do get through there to this glove box and put it down, and I got one of the screws loose. Let me show you guys. Which is this one right here. I was thinking it's gonna come out. It wasn't loose at first because it's got one more screw down here that I got. But come to find out, you don't have to get up here at all, unless your plan is to take it out, but good luck with that. So this is where the other screw was at, and it's holding the amplifier on the inside up here with this bracket down here. So you get rid of that, it's loose, but I suggest don't loosen it up, because where the plug is at ultimately is up there. And I just was able to get it out and disconnect it, and it's now over here, but that goes up there. So it's really uncomfortable to get to. It would have been nice if it would just be somewhere like down here, right? But it's not, it's back there. And this was my biggest problem. I almost thought of cutting it up, but I did not. I just pretty much lay down on my car and then reach in there with my hand, release the lock on the plug, and then pull it out. And it cost me some effort, but I think ultimately the easiest way. And to access here, you just put this away. You get rid of this one first, the one from here, and then this one you just pull it out. So that's it, guys. I got my wiring harness I got from Amazon here. I already hooked up all the wires, so we need to hook this up to that and then run those wires. And for that, we probably will have to use the back of the glove box back here and then bring them out here to the new unit. So that's it. Maybe I'll do another video on the update of how everything worked out. And if you guys need any help with anything, just let me know on the comment section. So there it is, guys. Haven't yet put it on there, but there it is. It comes from the amplifier all the way to the unit. And that's where we are at.